She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain. She'll be coming around the mountain. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Okay, here I am. On my next step, I'm using my acetone. Might be backwards on the monitor. I'm cleaning the baby's feet with acetone and the hand, and I'm going to do the little face. Make sure you do it on a protected surface because you don't want to ruin your table or your countertop. I'm using a brush to brush it on, and then you're going to let it dry. So this is the next step. What I'm using here is Yankee Candle lids that you end up throwing away, and it seems to work fine to hold the little limbs. So that's what I'm doing. Cleaning this all up, and I'm going to let it dry. And tomorrow I'll mess with the painting. Okay, see? Just put it here. And now I'm going to do the little head. Look at this little head. Cute. Try not to get this on your table. Okay, I'm going to clean the little head. And then I'm going to put the acetone in a little container. So, actually, acetone has to be in glass. This is glass. Because I hear that acetone will eat up any plastic. Not the silicone, but the plastic. I should be wearing gloves, but I'm not. It's okay. I'll wash my hands off quickly because I'm working quickly. These are my practice pieces. And I'll let this little baby dry. And I will prepare my area for the next step, which would be the first layer of paint, which would be veins. And I mentioned you start the veining on the arms, inside of the arms of the baby, a little bit on their hands, same on their feet. And on their face, I would do some right about here, here. And that's how I'll do her. So let's just clean up this little face and we'll let her dry. And tomorrow will be another day. So everything seems to stick to silicone, I hear. So, and we will let this baby dry. See, things are sticking to her already. This is my practice baby. So there she is drying. And tomorrow I will start again. This is just, I don't pour out a lot of acetone. Why waste it? So it's starting to dry now. Now I'm just going to put her to sleep for the night. I'll rinse out my little brush. They say to use a lot of brushes, so you throw them away after painting because they don't last. All right. Make sure you get behind the ears and in the creases. That's that. There's this little tiny baby. I'll let her dry. There's no more acetone in there, so dump it in there and we will let her dry. And that's it, folks. Toodles.